Styccobond F41 is a solvent-free acrylic polymer adhesive which is designed to provide a permanently tacky surface for the installation or replacement of carpet tiles. To aid the installer, Styccobond F41 is now available in the convenient rectangular 15-litre bucket. Large enough to accept a standard 12-inch short pile roller, the new size complements the existing 5 and 25-litre bottles. Either dip the roller directly into the bucket or pour the adhesive onto the prepared subfloor and, using a roller, spread the adhesive over the area to be covered. Styccobond F41 can be applied to stopgap smoothing underlayments, structurally sound, smooth, dry subfloors of concrete and sand cement screed, plywood, flooring-grade chipboard and hardboard. It can also be applied to non-absorbent subfloors such as stopgap waterproof surface membranes, stopgap isolator, raised access flooring panels, steel, terrazzo, granolithic, linoleum and vinyl floor coverings. Allow to dry to a clear, tacky film and place the carpet tiles into position, pressing firmly from the center outwards. Styccobond F41 remains as a permanently tacky film, which allows damaged or worn tiles to be quickly removed and replaced.